we're here with Motti Farbstein, the Chief Executive Officer of Can-Fite. Motti, thanks for being with us.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Can-Fite has a unique platform and a pipeline addressing oncological and inflammatory diseases. Start with a brief overview of your current development programs.
So we have two drugs in the clinic. The first one is the Piclidenoson. We are about to initiate a pivotal phase 3 study for psoriasis that was agreed with the FDA and the EMA. The second disease is Lowe syndrome, which is a rare disease, and we are about to initiate a phase 2. And the third indication, we have a partner, a French company that took Piclidenoson globally to develop it for pet osteoarthritis, and they just exercised the option in the licensing agreement for, following a positive phase 2 data in animals. The second indication is Namodenoson. We are enrolling patients to a pivotal phase 3 study in advanced liver cancer that was agreed with the FDA and the EMA. Today, we enrolled the first patient to a phase 2a in pancreatic cancer. And the last indication is NASH, where there is an ongoing phase 2b following a very successful phase 2a. In addition, we have a preclinical program, erectile dysfunction, with the CF602.
Motti, Piclidenoson has a remarkable number of applications. I want to know more about the market for psoriasis and osteoarthritis.
Sure. So the psoriasis drug market is forecasted to grow to $32 billion by 2028, according to the estimate by Evaluate. And the pet osteoarthritis market for the companion animal is estimated to be $3.8 billion by 2023 and is expected to grow to $6.3 billion by 2030.
Now, Motti, you recently announced positive results from a clinical study in dogs with osteoarthritis, and that led to a partnership with Vetbiolix. What can you tell us about the significance of that partnership?
Can-Fite and Vetbiolix model that Piclidenoson has the potential to capture up to 6% of the $6.3 billion opportunity. We speak worldwide sales of $445 million by 2034. Under the agreement, Can-Fite is entitled to receive 50% royalties on worldwide sale on this indication. That means that Can-Fite upfront and royalty sales is projected to be $325 million in the next 10 years.
Your oncology drug candidate, Namodenoson, was recently granted Orphan Drug Designation for pancreatic cancer. What's the next milestone investors should expect with that program?
So today we achieved the first milestone with the first patient dosing in pancreatic cancer phase 2a clinical trial. We will enroll 20 patients in an open study in the US and Israel.
Of course, you know, Motti, pancreatic cancer, it's a very aggressive form of cancer. Tell us how Namodenoson is differentiated from existing treatments.
Just as a background, in 2020, an estimated nearly 500,000 people were diagnosed with pancreatic cancer globally. Chemotherapeutic drugs have very limited effect in pancreatic cancer. The 5-year survival rate for people with pancreatic cancer in the US is only 11%. And the global pancreatic cancer therapeutic market was evaluated to be approximately $3.6 billion in 2021, and it's projected to grow approximately to $6.6 billion by 2030.
Now, in summary, Motti, what is the essential value proposition? Why should an investor take an interest in Can-Fite right now?
So, we have an oral drugs with proven safety and efficacy in pivotal phase 3 studies. Piclidenoson and Namodenoson are phase 3 assets in psoriasis and liver cancer. Namodenoson showed strong efficacy in phase 2 NASH study, and is studied in exploratory phase 2a study in pancreatic cancer. We were able to monetize the advanced portfolio through corporate partnerships. Piclidenoson and Namodenoson have been licensed out in selected territories with more than $20 million received to date, and potentially up to additional $130 million plus royalties. We have an intellectual property portfolio that consists of 15 patents family issued and pending to protect the different indications. And financially, we are well positioned. We have to conduct all the clinical development programs that I already presented to you.
Motti, thanks for sharing the Can-Fite story with us today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.